This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a mojito using mojito syrup. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint, a lime, white rum, and club soda. The key to a great mojito is a good quality mojito syrup, so choose wisely. Make sure you have a sturdy glass and a muddler ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a delicious drink every time. Next, place about 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into your glass. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release the oils from the mint and the juice from the lime. You want to bruise the mint, not shred it. Then, pour in 1 1/2 ounces of your chosen mojito syrup. This step builds the foundational flavor of your drink. Now it's time for the spirit. Add 2 ounces of your favorite white rum to the glass. After that, fill the glass to the brim with crushed ice. Crushed ice is ideal for mojitos as it chills the drink quickly and provides a pleasant texture. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are thoroughly mixed and chilled. Finally, top off your mojito with about 3 to 4 ounces of crisp club soda. This adds a delightful fizz and lightens the drink. For the perfect presentation, garnish with a fresh sprig of mint and a thin lime wheel. Serve your delicious mojito immediately and enjoy this refreshing, easy-to-make cocktail. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.